So, you might have seen my video on Jamaican land crabs in Brooklyn. Remember when I told you?
I know, honestly, we shouldn't really tell you about this place, because if I tell you about this place, you guys are going to come here and nobody else not getting a crab.
Yeah. When I went back the following week after posting the video, the lines of people. When I say the lines of, you know what? They improved a lot, wearing gloves, aprons, and hairnets. I'll post that video after this one. But luckily, I got a chance to experience one of my favorite spots when it was calm and quiet, and I got to get the experience of someone else, see what they thought about the food, see if whatever I was saying was crazy or if I was right.
Guys, welcome back to Soai. Look what you turn on your head, like automatically you're just like, you scared of the camera? Oh my gosh. Anyway, we're there today with Georgie because you saw the Instagram clips with the food. So you know the vibes. We're going out there to get some food. And you said for you, Brooklyn, how's the food like Jamaican food for you?
Jamaican food in Brooklyn is not it.
It's not it, right? I concur. I think I said that in the last video at this crab spot. So I'm excited to see her reaction on the food, to see if she likes it. And you're a crab person?
I'm a crab person.
So you're definitely getting spicy crab.
Mm-hmm.
Where did you get this love for spicy crab for? Because you said...
Oh, my family always makes crabs since I was a little girl.
Cool. Is it American crabs or land crabs?
American crab, and then they would bring it up from Jamaica when I was younger.
Okay.
So,
Got you. All right, so we're about to get there.
about to get into it.
We're about to get into it, and it's going to be on the intersection of Beverly and Utica. In the description box, I'm going to drop the location pin so you guys can find it very easily. All right, let's go. Oh, gone. You know, I had to be back.
Okay, baby. They just text me because they just blocked my message.
Okay, all right.
Hey, come on,
Oh, go on, Chrissy.
Wait, she gonna be with her mom? If her mom's gonna be there, I'll
Georgie, how food smell already? Smells good, right? It smells real good already. Yo, I'm excited. It's the same way like a yard. Boy, yes. Yo, it all here really smells like out of my hero circle. I kid you not. You could just smell the crabs like, hello, mommy. Yeah, out here really smells like out by hero circle. Excited to try it again. So let me give you guys a lowdown, fun story. So she saw my Instagram post and she was just like, yo, where is it? I probably got like 30 questions. She's like, yo, where is it? So I'm like, I told her the address, and then I'm like, yo, you're gonna have to pay me. You're gonna pay me in crabs. So I'm gonna be getting paid today 2 crabs to do this experience. But again, love the food here, love the people, love the vibe. And yeah, remember, it's on a Friday and it's also on a Saturday that you can get your stuff. Hold on, the jerk chicken ready? Jerk chicken ready? Almost. Good, good, good. So, the jerk chicken, I definitely recommend the sawfish and yam. That is surprisingly really, really, really good. But the jerk chicken, that's also good too. Nice, sweet, savory. And I see people already out here already. It's like after 2 o'clock. They open at 1 p.m. Make sure you come out here by 1. 1 o'clock is a good time. The food will be ready by then. You should be able to get your crabs, but they go really fast. Yeah, special guest. make her try when I foot them. Yeah, yeah.
Look here, man.
Yeah. Try when I told them.
Come on, man. Come on. Watch it. Mama, come here.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's not all these salty and all these spicy.
No. Oh, no.
Thank you. I'm glad that you agree. Yeah, they do them thing. It's different, right? It's really good. Watch out. Man, I tell you. Them have it out there, man. You want the spice, you want everything. And I'm back here for a second day because one thing I like to do, most times when I try food, I don't only go there once, I like going there like twice, probably even thrice, because I want to see the consistency of the food. For me, consistency is super important. I know you guys might be coming here probably next year, probably next month. I need to know that the food is going to be consistently just as good. Remember, they're going to be out here until the winter season. That's when they're not going to be out here, but once there's the sun's out, guns out, they're going to be here. Drinking your Corona. Is that your preferred beer or is it Red Stripe?
No, I'm just drinking it because the lady said.
Cheers.
Full of beer. I felt pressure, peer pressure.
Oh my gosh. Again with the pepper shrimps. Ooh. Look on that. Beautiful.
Can I get a salt too? That's a roast salad? Yeah, I'm getting it for myself. You don't want salt? Thank you.
Hold on there. Make sure not peer pressure make you go them this, you know. You ready for this? You like pepper shrimp? Okay, good. She went head first.
The food is really good here. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
That's what's up. That's what's up. It's so beautiful. I like the size of it. It's, you know, a nice size shrimp, cooked well, everything.
Not you need a job? You have to answer the phone there now. Where the phone then? What name? Chris is what? Oh, yard style. Thanks for calling yard style. I'm sorry. Help you. Oh, cute. She's busy, but Chrissy have crab ready, yes. Alright. Okay, I'm sorry. Chrissy crab ready, yes.
So we're gonna definitely make sure that Georgie gets the sawfish and the roast yam because that is really good. That for me was a really good one. So she definitely have to try that one today.
What is your chicken? 10, 20, 2 people 10.
Watch out. Nice dry yellow yam. I like seeing it in the store like this with the shaved dust and everything, you know, say the real deal I get. You see me? Trust me, these yellow yams were really good. Very dry, very nice with that sawfish. And of course, yeah, it's a whole vibe out there, man. Yeah.
Some food for mama over there, sir. Don't worry, I got it. Alright, let me see. 4 now, the baby girl. 4 for you. Alright, them stop. 2 million. You ever enter the password? B-E-O-N. 1 more N. D? Yeah, D-E-O-N. Make it a bit clouder, please. D-E-O-N. No. H-I-N. Okay. Sure. Hello, Yacht Star Cuisine. How may I help you? Okay, hang on. Let's see what I'm
Just regular boiled crab, okay.
Yeah, I want boiled crab.
So you know you have to pick your crab, right? So pick the woman, let me say one. Wow, wild. Okay, so pick your crabs. All right, let me ask you a question. How you know the difference between a male and a female crab?
the male crab has that skinny part,
Yeah.
and the woman have the big part, like the fat one.
Sorry. I'm weak. Got you. Let's stop the food dance. See how food dance how I look good. Oh my gosh.
No, but let's go crazy.
Guys, she was so anxious of the crabs being done. She's just like, yo, don't make them sell out my crabs.
The lady was like, so when you come by and eat for him? No, but for you, yeah.
I'm a people, man.
So if you come in, come with him. So if you don't want the crab to fall out.
Oh my gosh, yo, the crabs are here. They look really good.
Four additional, 4 6. I have branks and come now. First one was 4 460.
Okay.
No, 460.
Sexy. Sexy crabs. Yo. You sure you want to eat it here? Some of it here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna make sure.
If you have a plate or something.
I got you.
Because it's dripping right here.
Now be careful with you, because I realize they were like, go eat some now. You say yes. Now he's gonna get a plate.
No. Oh my gosh, you're so sophisticated. Oh. I am not. That's then if you have to eat crab, I
Wait. Well, for sure, I style him and the vibe, you know. No problem.
So you say one day, curry crab and the coconut sandwich, right? 55. You sell me? All right? You get some? Huh?
Right? What part of the crab is your favorite part? You girl, really? Yo, go easy with her in the comments. Oh my gosh. All right, cool. So peep this, Zine. So usually when you catch the crabs, like just out there or whatever, you gotta be very careful with it. These crabs, when I say careful with it, I just mean like they're scavenging, they're eating whatever it is, right? Now, these crabs are farm raised. I don't know how they feed them or what they feed them with. So they might be fed with fruits, vegetables, I don't know. So I'm assuming it's gonna be a cleaner crab with cleaner meat per se. So there's a long debate. Is it poop? What is it that you're eating from the back? Some people say it's fat, some people say it's poop. I think it's just a mixture of both. So culturally, there are some people that will like dip like green bananas inside of it and they say it's delicious. Me personally, banana it. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I stick to the abdomen, I stick to the legs, I stick to the claw, but anything else, it's not for me. The eggs I could work with. But, wait. So this, wait. So that, I need to see you do this. What does it taste like?
No, it tastes good. I like it.
It tastes fatty?
It's well seasoned, a little bitter, but I don't know, I just like the taste. It's nostalgic to me because it reminds me of when I was a kid. My mom would bring us food from Jamaica.
I think the average Jamaican, that's how they eat it still, to be fair with you.
Baby, it's so good. Look, all of that egg and... You get egg, you see?
Yeah, she got egg. Yo.
Never disappoint me. Yeah, I'm a customer. I always please my customers.
That's right. Well, make sure you come here, you ask for a Cavell.
I just pay some way.
Hold on. Oh, you. Yo. I saw her yesterday. She's back again. Yo. What are you getting today? What y'all get today? Crab again? Oh, you like the shrimp? Nice, nice, nice. Nice. You want more heat, right?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I agree. I think it needs a little bit more spice to it, but I feel that. I feel that. So you realize, guys, they're repeat customers. I came here yesterday. This is going to be Saturday, but I'm not going to post the two same videos back to back. So whenever you see this, just know that this was the day after the first video. So she's back to get some crab, and I'm also back as well to share this amazing experience with another fellow Jamaican living in the US. So today I'm gonna have some festival that's being kneaded up right now. Yes, I'm gonna have some festival with some jerk chicken today. All right, so I know a lot of people are very much into their starches. You like your rice, you like your peas, you like your stuff like that. The starches that I find normally out here, of course, is gonna be the roast yellow yam, and that's usually basically about it. But like I said, there also is a festival today. So some days you might have something, some days you might not. So yesterday we had soup, today, no soup today. So just bear that in mind. Definitely roast yam is going to be out here. I can't quite guarantee the festivals. If you don't know what a festival is, basically it's a mixture of flour, sugar, sometimes a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. It is it's supposed to be a light dough, basically, that is fried, in a nutshell. Look at that, guys. The scotches are in. Scotch bonnet pepper to me is my all-time favorite pepper. It's spicy, but it has flavor. You know, something about it that's really nice. The escallion gone in, thyme gone in. See it there? Yeah, man. you keep saying that. Yes, more crabs. Crabs just dropping not too long ago. I think so. They're restocking. Everybody. If you know of a fried dumpling or a festival, you know that you have to do a test fry. Because if the oil is too hot, if it gets to the hazing point, you're basically going to be burning the festival. The inside is going to be chewy, it's going to be doughy, it's not going to be cooked. So the pot was a little bit too hot just now, so they're testing it out right now to see that it's the right temperature, because more on good festival. Now me judge a good cook based off of how good the festival is. So I'm excited to see how these ones turn out. It looks good so far. The dough seems like it's legit, but we're gonna see. Is it? You are a troublemaker.
The son born me, because you spoon and home and summit home and the son born me. I tell you something, I have 2 men in Jamaica and 2 of them have around 3 women, so they have around 6 men. So I can't them see me over so.
Yo, let me, okay. If you want a real Jamaican experience, you see me, are you in the Jamaica? Come here, so. Sit out here for an hour or 2, wait on your food, have the vibe. If you understand Jamaican language, you're gonna hear some, like, the most hilarious things. Sister, she got 6 mates back. Yo, that's crazy. But on other news, I got this beautiful shrimp here. It's beautiful. Look at that. This one today is natural. Delicious. This shrimp today. Oh. Oh.
It's even the juice here. I could drink this. That juice could be bottled.
Shrimp juice.
So this is Steven, and he's the opener.
The opener.
For today?
like to open things.
Exactly. So this is what he's been doing all day here.
You're welcome. Yo. So, question is, how is your vibe out here? Can you look bougie and see your chromas they sit on clean over there, so? And what's your vibe like? How do you feel?
It's nice and cool. The food is like the ambience. Give a real Jamaican. When you're done.
All right, between both of them, between the shrimp and the crab that you had just now, which one do you prefer?
The shrimp was excellent. The crab is excellent. I can't. Both of them are excellent. I give them 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 both?
So far, everything that I ate, for me, 10 out of 10.
Nice. I love it. Back to my job, everyone.
Hey. Yesterday.
The shrimp was good. If you watch that last video, I did say it, but I did tell her that I think it needs some more spice. She added the spice, and today the shrimp is excellent. I don't want to sound messed up, but better than middle quarters. I'm sorry, I'm say it again. Today the shrimp better than the one at middle quarters, and I think primarily because the shrimp that they have over here is larger, so you're getting more meat, and you know it's fresh and everything like that. But remember, these are Jamaicans. There are our own people, you know what I'm saying, doing it up here. So still a Jamaican thing, but yo, the quality on it is really good. I can't explain it. It's not creamy. Like the sauce is not creamy, but it just feels, the sauce feels very velvety. You know what I'm saying? So it don't feel like a long water type of sauce. It's not too spicy. I've had pepper shrimp in Jamaica where it gives me a little headache because that's how spicy it is. This is just spicy enough. I don't understand the red coloring. It might be a natto oil or whatever, but whatever it is working. I love that shrimp. It's juicy, it's nice. Yesterday I left by the head, today no head left back. Now my head. Bye.
I get hungry.
I tell you, man, no man, I like bag juice, the crab juice or shrimp juice. Oh my God. This tastes like a hot cuisine shrimp soup, basically. So in a hot cuisine, everything is done in excess. So double the butter, double the seasoning, double everything. Yes, ma'am. Ah, thank you. Get our festival. You wanna go first? No, you go first. We got to get your reaction. You are the VIP guest today. I know some man on the video that love to be a festival right there, though.
Yo, it's so good.
That's good? Vibes.
So them gonna put the beer them in that? Absolutely. Are different ladies? Let me edit this and put it. I'm gonna put it on the website. Yeah, it's not on the okay.
Almost 40 in America. So me consider myself as an American. Five times I go to Jamaica for the year already.
Alright, put it down. Put the yam in the place for you. Put the yam in the place for you.
Yeah.
What did you say?
You know what that baby?
Don't never tell me say I don't have bread.
Just want to sing yam and bread every day.
Okay. So you guys got whole wheat and white? Or just whole wheat? Whole wheat. Yeah, so she said 2 crabs, one with this fat pum pum.
Okay.
Yeah.
For she.
Yeah.
Give me that bag, yeah. Alright, 2 crab shower.
Yeah. Want a $30
Take
crab.
one.
Take one $30 crab.
Pass her back.
Here one $30 crab.
Hey, Kim, come on. Kim, carry the sucker for. No.
Let's put in another bag because this have a tendency to leak.
Why? The people gonna come with the bill? Oh no.
Yeah, it's, her. Chrissy.
Look how girl. You have to fix the bills there.
And I had pepper shrimp earlier.
Come on, money
How
you
that
send, Papa.
earlier?
Are your friend them? One of money to come up here. Oh God, pussy man. Are your friend them? Ah, don't do that. Come family them. Don't do that. How much? How much you get? Come family them. How much you get? You see? 1 gram. Come here to come back here today.
You ever see it?
You couldn't wait till you go ahead. Right now. Right here.
First thing to get a jerk chicken.
Yeah, girl is a vibe.
So that's fish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's a team crab and the jerk chicken.
Always, all the time. Oh my God. How was your day? How was the experience?
My day was good. The food was good. The vibes was good. What's her name? Cheval?
Yeah, Cabell. Yeah.
Cabell. Yeah. I like it a lot. I like the food a lot. My favorite thing was obviously the boiled crab. The freaking pepper shrimp was A1. Like, if you go there, like, don't leave without having the pepper shrimp and the boiled crab. I didn't try the curry crab because I just wasn't in the mood for curry. But it was good. The festival, for me, it was good. You know?
Tell them what you tell them. Tell them what you tell me off here about my food reviews.
Oh, so I was saying, like, you know what he'd be like, You could believe him because, you know, some people be lying about their experiences, but nah. When he did the food was really So he's not lying. The food was really good.
Nice. So, yeah, today was a very good day. I love getting the opportunity to hang out with some of you guys once I feel like I can trust. And I never got kidnapped today. The day's not done yet. So that's still a possibility.
Who said I'm not going to kidnap you?
No!
Who said I wasn't going to kidnap him?
You funny. All right, so it was a vibe. I really enjoyed today. And like I mentioned before, I like going back to a place a couple times because it speaks to the consistency, and it was very consistent today. Really enjoyed my food, and like Georgie mentioned the shrimp. The shrimp was good. Yesterday I mentioned that they needed a little bit more spice. They did that, and I think it really hit the mark. Crab, don't know, really, really good. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go off to my kidnapping. I really love you guys. It was fun making this very last video. I'm joking. Of course, if the video goes up, I'm good. Catch you in the next one. Remember, things, love, nature, adaptation. Georgie, thank you for today.
Bye.
Keep the link.